Welcome back to another video. So I've got 6 new Madam Glam pudding gels. So I originally got they first brought these out in December, I think it was. They brought 6 colours out and they were only available to VIP members. Well, they've brought another 6 colours out and they are now available to anybody. So you don't have to be a VIP member to get these pudding gels anymore. So I'll quickly show you the first 6 that I got in December. So they came with a black and a white, a teal, pale green, cinnamon and peanut, I think the last 2 were. So with these new colours we've got hot pink, nude pink, cherry, plum rose, soft coral and iris. This set of 6 are right up my street. I love every one of them. Just like the gel polishes, they're vegan, cruelty free, henna free, palm oil free, the 21 free formula. Absolutely brilliant stuff. Don't forget guys as well, you can get 30% off with my code. It's always in my description box along with a link to the website. So this is the application brush that I got with the pudding gels and it's brilliant for these gels. It's got really soft bristles. You want something with really soft bristles with these gels in particular because some brushes, they leave brush strokes going through it. But this one doesn't. It's a really good little brush. So they've changed the caps. They come with a little black cap now. They used to come with a silver seal, but they've changed them to this little black cap, which I love because you can put it back on. Look at that colour, by the way. Oh my gosh. So look guys, these are solid gels. They don't drip. They don't move. They just they just stay put. So I'll just swatch this first one with you and I'll speed through the rest. Look at that. Isn't it cool stuff? And it just goes forever. I've put quite a lot because these are really long stiletto swatch sticks, but just watch how that colour just spreads down that whole swatch stick and covers it. They really are good for full coverage. 1 coat, I'd always advise 2 thin coats, but look at that for 1 coat. These cure in the lamp for 60 seconds as well, guys. So I'm just going to quickly swatch these and then I'll be back and we'll do something with them. Right, so that's them all had 2 coats and they've been top coated. How pretty are they? I absolutely love them. I love that nude pink on the right and that cherry. It looks red on camera, but it's a really deep cherry. It's a really pretty colour. Love that nude. I love them all. I absolutely love them all. So what can we do with them? I don't know. We'll see. So I'm just giving these a quick base coat and I'm going to cure that in the lamp quickly for 30 seconds. I just ended up using 2 colours. I ended up using the nude pink and the pale purple, which is called Iris. Beautiful colours. I really like them. So I'm going to start by 2 of these nails are going to be full cover. One I'm covering in this nude pink, two really thin coats, and one of them I'm going to cover in the pale purple iris. And the other two nails I'm going to do an ombre, a vertical ombre with both colours. So for my vertical ombre, really easy to ombre these pudding gels are. Fantastic for doing a vertical ombre. I'm literally just swiping down the left side with the pink. I'm not curing that, I'm leaving it wet. And then I'm swiping down the other side with the purple. And just overlap the colours. And then just literally is all I did, you can see there. Overlap it. Don't worry about your first coat looking patchy. And just stick it in the lamp like that. And this nail is getting a full cover of the purple. And now back to the ombre nail for the second coat. Again, just swipe down the left with the nude pink and swipe down the right with the purple. And what I also do as well, I'll show you in a second. Can you see I swipe down the middle with the brush as well? Don't be scared to get the brush into the purple half as well. So what I do now is I'm going to dip my brush. Can you see half of it into the purple and half of it into the pink, and then I'm just going to swipe down the middle of that nail just to blend them a little bit more. And it was as easy as that. I didn't have to get an ombre brush out or a detailer brush. I've actually never done a vertical ombre like this, and look at that, so easy. This brush helps because it's so soft. It really did help. And that's it. I'm going to stick that in the lamp and do exactly the same on the other nail. 60 seconds these need in the lamp as well, guys. So I'm just going to give this and the purple nail a quick second coat, and then we can do some sort of design on them, can't we? Right, so that's all my base colours done. So I've pulled out this iridescent from Charlie's. I ended up not using that. I've ended up using this one, Pixie Dust. Beautiful little glitter. It's just same as the iridescent, but it's got like a iridescent transparent hex mix in it as well. Look at it sparkling. And it's got teeny weeny little strands in there that I don't normally like, but there's only a couple in this mix, so I don't mind. So just this nail and the full purple nail I'm going to be putting glitter on. So quick base coat, and I'm not curing that in the lamp. And I'm just going to just a really thin sparse kind of sprinkle of this glitter across this nail and the purple nail. So I've pulled out some little blossoms. These were from AliExpress, these were. And some little iridescent butterflies. And that's literally all I'm doing on that nail. And I'm going to do exactly the same on the purple nail. Yeah, these little butterflies and blossoms I actually got them sent free as a sample when I bought some glitters from Colours World. They sent me little packets of these blossoms and butterflies, and I thought they were perfect for this little set. Once I've got them on, I'm going to stick them in the lamp for 30 seconds. So they're all cured into place now. I'm just using an old top coat and giving them just a really nice, generous layer of top coat. And I'm going to buff them a little bit smooth. You could give them an extra coat of top coat if you don't want to buff them, but yeah, I just cure this in the lamp and then I'll give them a nice buff, get them nice and smooth. So all I'm going to do now is get some gems on, really beginner friendly design. I'm going to try and do some more often, just quick, simple, beginner friendly designs. And I think the hardest part of this design actually was piddling about with these little gems. I've put a little silver metal bar thing on there, and I'm just going to line some gems up around it, and I'm gonna stick caviar beads in between all my gems, and I'm just curing it as I go. So I'm just doing a little bit at a time, curing it as I go. Because when I'm using a lot of gems and a lot of caviar beads, it's very difficult to do it in one go. Because the caviar beads are so light, they start sliding about. So just do your gems in little dots and cure it as you go. So I'll let you finish watching this and I'll be back to top coat. So that's all my gems on, and the glitter nails have been buffed nice and smooth. So I'm just going to give these a quick top coat now and cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm just going to use the brush and top coat the majority of them, and then I'll use a little detailer brush just to get in between all them little gems. And that'll be the set finished, guys. There we go, guys, that's them finished. I think they're really cute, really delicate and really cute. I love that creamy nude pink with that pale purple. I think they look really nice together. I really like them. I do. I think they're really cute. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Discount codes, links to the websites, all in my description box. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.